working on this 2004 GMC Envoy, and issue is that it's got some sort of an evap leak and a really strong gas smell, and the nozzle and filling kept shutting off. So I dropped the tank, and you can see there's fuel here, but it's pretty dry all around. So I was doing some testing, and I'm going to show you what I found. I initially started with just some compressed air in the tank, and the tank will just expand. Let me see if I can show you. Alright, so I'm just going to add some shop air. See the tank expanding, the balloons popping up. Oops, lost my hose. So I'm getting so much back pressure being full. So, I mean, nothing's showing, so I'm going to smoke test it. Alright, so I got the smoke coming in here, filling up the tank, and I want you to look right over there, real close. Alright, it's full. I'm plugging this other hole. Just keep watching that outer, look at it. The fuel's finally pushing out, it's pressurizing. So there's a crack right there in that metal on the fuel pump. And then check this out. So now we're in the filler neck. Watch this. The filler neck's got a crack in it into the tank. So, two problems. Alright, so the charcoal canister, here's where the tank goes. Canister sits right here. I did also check it with compressed air. I'll show you. So I'm putting air through the bottom, plugging this one, and air is coming out the top just fine. And the same way this way. Air's flowing just fine through here, out here. And then you could plug the other ones. It comes out here too. So there is no clogging on the charcoal canister. I also checked this guy. It's normally open, and when you power it up, positive, negative, it closes out and provides suction the way it's supposed to. So it's fine also. Same with the purge valve. Checked it out. It functions just fine. So anyway, I hope it helped you out. I pressurized and tested all these hoses individually, and there was no cracks or anything, which made me start to pressurize the tank. And you wouldn't have known that the puddle of fluid from here was coming from a crack you can't see here in the metal. So it needs a new fuel pump, and I don't know about the filler neck. I'll have to let you know. I don't know if that could be like a new rubber seal put on it or what. But anyway, have a good day.